To change the heating home routine time schedule in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap heating home routine, tap time period. Under time section, tap start time and then set the new start time. As the example, we will set it to 30 past 3 p.m. Next, tap end time and then set the new end time. As the example, we will set it to 4 p.m. Once done, tap done button to save the change. By doing this, now your phone will automatically enable the heating home routine from 30 past 3 p.m. to 40 p.m. in the selected days. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.